Welcome to today's video, where we'll be tackling a common issue that many developers face when trying to debug their Android applications using Visual Studio Code, VSCode, and the TNS, Analytics Client. The problem is frustratingly vague, with an error message stating the application com.app.demo is not installed on device with identifier. If you've encountered this issue before, you know how annoying it can be. But don't worry, we're here to help you understand what's going on and provide a clear solution. In this video, we'll break down the possible causes of this error and walk you through a step-by-step process to resolve it. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to troubleshoot this issue and get back to debugging your app in no time. So, what does this error message actually mean? The key phrase here is the application com.app.demo is not installed on device with identifier .xxl. This suggests that the issue lies with the way your app is being installed or recognized on your Android device. One possible reason for this error is that there's a mismatch between the package name in your app's configuration and the actual package name of the app installed on your device. This might happen if you've recently changed the package name in your app settings, but haven't updated it everywhere else. Another potential cause is that the app is not being properly installed on the device due to a configuration issue or a problem with the build process. It's possible that the installation process is failing silently without giving any clear indication of what's going wrong. To troubleshoot this issue, you'll need to follow a series of steps. First, double-check your app's package name in the config.xml file and make sure it matches the actual package name on your device. Next, try cleaning and rebuilding your project to ensure that there aren't any lingering issues with the build process. If these initial steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to dive deeper into the logs to see if there are any other clues about what's going wrong. You can do this by running a debug session on your device and examining the output in the console window. So, what should you take away from today's video? Here are the key points. The error message, the application com.app.demo, is not installed on device with identifier xxl, usually indicates a mismatch between the package name in your app's configuration and the actual package name on your device. You can troubleshoot this issue by checking the package name, cleaning and rebuilding your project, and examining the logs for clues about what's going wrong. That's it for today's video. We hope you now have a better understanding of how to resolve the application com.app.demo is not installed on device with identifier client when debugging your Android app using VSCode and TNS Analytics Client. If you've got any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and guides on mobile development and related topics. And if you're feeling generous, share the video with your friends and colleagues who might also benefit from the information. Thanks for watching.